Welcome back, everybody. Tuesday, September 24th, 9:13 p.m. Eastern. Another video from SuperAreas.com. And the purpose of this video is that this will be a quick, short one. I just want to explain how to do low of the bar, top of the bar trade. Before we begin, SuperAreas.com is a service. Software as a service. We lease you over software that helps you understand and analyze the market. We're not responsible for any profits and gains. Futures market holds its risk. You can try our software for 14 days. And when you try it, you agree to all the terms and disclaimers listed at superareas.com. Now let's get started quickly. So I have my Ninja open. Right now, December 24 contract. Right now this chart is 3020. This chart is 1510. So during the live stream, every time I say that when the trend changes, you should always place your order. For the beginners, that's the fastest trade after the midband. So let me write something down quickly. Let's look at a few types of trade that I always write. So number one, we prefer you do the area trades. Number two, midband gap, and number three, low top of the bar, either 1510 or 3020. So let's focus on number three, low top of the bar. If you're doing 1510, your TP should be for at least anywhere from 4 to 8 ticks, and your SL should be at 10 ticks. So let's do this on 1510. So trend has just changed after the market opened, after you have a divergence right here. So if I wanted to now sell something, price is going down, either I would place my sell order right here. So make sure you have the chart trader turned on. So if you see it like this, for example, if you don't have chart trader like this, you only have the DOM, you won't be able to do this from the DOM. So in this case, if I want to place an order right here on top of it, this would be my top of the bar. So let me turn on my chart trader. Now chart trader is on, my account is SIM. So this would be the top of the bar order. So let's set up an ATM first, custom. So 8 stop loss, 10 ticks, profit 8 ticks, and let's call it low top 1510, SL 10, and TP 8. There you go. Let me place this order right here for a sell because the trend is down. There you go. It has placed my order of going short at 57.8550 right now. So either you can do this because my trend is down, written bearish, both charts are magenta. I have placed my limit order. So the software giving you the highest probability that if you sold right here, you would get a couple of points within this bar. Next could be you could sell from midband. Of course, anybody who wants to do midband trade, you would do a midband trade right here. This line, just go in front of it, make sure your chart trader is on, right account is selected, right ATM is selected. You can do this midband trade as well. So midband trade, as we teach you, the most basic type of trade is, I know 20 things are happening, trend, magic bands, triggers, small triggers, mid-trend bands, value area, things like that. And in this case, price is almost about to hit at the bottom of the value area. If you want to be a little bit more patient and safe, do top of the bar here at the midband, at the 3020 chart. And this will give you better accuracy. So if you are doing this on 3020, your TP, you can again take anywhere from 4 to 8 ticks. And your SL has to be 3.5 points. So 3 is 12 ticks. Actually 12 plus what would be 3.5 points? 3.5 points. SL. So 1 point is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. So you have to do a 14 points, 14 ticks stop loss. And you can do, and most likely you will have a better luck anywhere from 4 to 12 ticks of your TP. So if I wanted to put an order right now, my large triggers are wide open, and more chances the price is going to continue to go down. However, my small triggers got pinched. So if I wanted to sell now, I would sell right here. So let me turn on again chart trader. I go right here, chart trader, pick an account. This is ES December. I would place my order right here, sell limit 57.8650. Now in this case, let me set an ATM here so you can do stop. Let's say I want to take 3 points and I don't want to lose more than 14, profit 12, and stop loss 14, and I can call it 30-20, stop loss 14, and proc TP 12. There you go, it's saved. And if I want to just, you see my cursor in this gray area, you can drag it, make it a little bit bigger, and just make sure your chart trader is on, your account is selected, your quantity, everything is fine. Just you can zoom in like this. Just drag the time at the bottom, and I have taken it so my top of the bar is exactly 57.8650, and I would say place an order. So now I've placed an order for a short sale, and I want the price to pick me when the white line is the price line. So I'm going to wait for my trade to happen this way. So the price should move up slowly, and when it hits 57.8650, if you don't want this is a $250 bar, almost 20 ticks. You can always place your order at the top of this bar, but you're better off to use 30-20, top of the bar, bottom of the bar. And of course, when it's green, you would do this at the bottom of the bar. So the moment trend changes, put your order here, and as the price climbs up, just keep coming, and then eventually price should come down and pick you up. So going down and up both sides, just place at the top or bottom of the bar. So this is the video that I wanted to specifically do on how to do low of the bar, top of the bar. So in this case, I've taken the 30-20 chart. I have placed my order, limit order. So I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. I'm not rushing. Because what happens is price moves up and down in this bar. You have better chances to, because if you just put market order now or place an order now, the chances if the price reverses, then you would have bigger losses. So from here, I know my loss is 3.5 points, and here I have 2.5 points loss. Or you can always, I can go and say, in this case, it's a 15-10, and maybe you can place an order here as well, right? So this is half of the bar, middle, and then this is the full bar. So as you can see, if it reaches here, it will pick this top of the bar. So you can decide 15-10 would, as you see, it place the order in the middle of the bar. And on 30-20, it's almost at, so these tops generally become the mid band of 15-10. So hopefully this gives you, and this will automatically put a TP, automatically put a stop loss for you. So it would, in this case, 84, it would put a stop loss there. It stopped at the value area. Now it's going back up. Let's see in this order what happens. So my price is set at 84. If it hits 84, I only want to take maximum here to I would say 8 takes 2 points. So this is a good method if you want to scalp at a level of 1 to 2 points every trade. And the whole day you can pick top and bottom of the bar and just make your couple $100 a day easy with just this method. The most amount of money you will make is through areas. There you go. I'm almost about to get in. When if it hits 84, it should hit automatically. There you go. My TP got set, and so it picked me at the top of the bar. I'm already up 1 tick. And of course you can move your stop losses, and you can move your, so my stop, I'll take the limit order out of this particular limit order from 1510 out. Sorry, 3020, I removed that. And this was a top of the bar order, limit order on a 1510. So I placed so at this time I placed the stop loss here, and my TP is at 8 ticks. So let's see which way it goes from this particular trade. It is bearish. So trend is still down. There you go. 2 ticks are done. You can take one. So I will move it up to, let's say, 83. So all I care about is taking 1 point. So this was a top of the bar in short sale. So I'm up 2 ticks, and some funded companies like Apex would have a problem if you return from 37. And the moment I get to 83, I would have 1 point done. So far I saw 37.50, and let's see which way it goes. 37.50, 25. So you can of course move you want to take 1 tick, 2 ticks, but generally top of the bar or bottom of the bar on 1510 should give you approximately 1 point most of the time. No issues, especially if the trend has changed quickly and then you want to stick your order at the top of the bar. So this is the top of the bar trade in a short side. Large triggers are open, small triggers are fine, so I don't see any particular. So in here I would like to scalp 1 point in my ES, which is $50. And so far the price did go to 37.50, which was 3 ticks, and let's see which way it goes. 37.50. It's a bit of a slow time at this time. So generally in the morning you have much faster chances in order to make. And of course you can move your stop loss tighter if you think you don't want to. So just clicking on it, it can move your stop loss right here. So now my stop loss is very close, or I can take it far. It's completely up to you. With this chart trader, it's pretty convenient that where my buy stop is, where my limit is. So in this case, my ATM was set that, hey, so 37.50, the moment I would get to 83, my TP would be filled. Let's see if it, so 37.50 and one more take, and I would be done this scalping order of 4 ticks. So the moment trend changes, keep placing your order at top of the bar if it's going down, and bottom of the bar. There you go, my order got filled, and that is a successful trade. So I just placed my order right here, and it just gave me 1 point from here to there. If you want to wait more, next order I can put on a 30.20 top of the bar, and I will place my order at sell limit right here. So now if you see here, this is where it would place my order, approximately very close to the midband. If you want to do very close to the midband, you can take it. But had I let it run, maybe I got $62. There you go. From 80, it's coming to almost 83, 1 point. But we had shorted from 84. And if it's green, when the trend is green, you would place your order at the bottom of the bar. So my second trade, I've placed the order top of the bar. So on 30.20. So just to go over it, area trade, of course, you have to wait for the areas. And areas or zones or levels or retraces, whatever, you want to call it, or pullbacks, etc., etc. And midband gap is this trade where you just are strictly watching the midline, up to green to go up, red to go down, either 30-20 or 15-10, midline 50% line. Or the third one was low top of the bar, and this video explained you how to take an entry. Again, to just quickly go over, make sure your chart trader is on, you have the right account number, right instrument. Please do this and every market, I should write it, except NQ. If you want to do, if NQ, do this during evening time, after 6 p.m. Eastern, because during the morning you are gonna have hard time placing an order. We have an ATM for you that places an order right here at the moment. It has a black candle, but there you go. So, and if you want to do this during the, you can do this in crude oil, you can do it in natural gas where the market moves a bit smoother, and we prefer this on ES. And generally, if you are just able to look at the look at this green bottom of the bar, make money, one trade, 2 trade, 3 trades, 4 trades, 5 and 6 and 7 trades going up just after 2 o'clock yesterday, and then when it's going down, excuse me, 1 trade, 2 trade, 3 trades. So every trend change you will have quite a bit low and bottom of the bar, and the best is the first reversal. So it goes up right here would be your entry. If it goes down, the first would be the highest probability, as long as swing is not that much crazy. Generally after 13 points or so you will see a bit of a reversal. So try to do this. So had I let it go, and so look at 82, almost point and a half from 84, right? So you can generally get 2 points during the day when the market moves. But guys, this is how you do bottom of the bar, top of the bar, and you just gotta wait. There is nothing wrong with waiting, and you must accept the fact that every trade has a 50% possibility. And what we say is, looking at 10 years of experience of trading with our software, it's about 90% plus of areas, midband gap trade, at least 70% or higher. Of course, you have low of top of the bar. At anything above 55 or 60% is generally considered a good strategy, and you can automate this through our ATMs inside it. Yeah, some are premium ATM paid, some are free. And midband trade, you can automate it. You can do lots of things with a lot of our system, and you can put in alerts on RSI, things like that. But hopefully this video explains how to do top of the bar, bottom of the bar. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I will be uploading one more video right after this that explains on how to do. I just got qualified for fast track trading payout, and I will do the video right after it. Take care. Enjoy.